this side. I'm from Ryan Lakshmi Solution. Welcome to my channel. I'm an implementer over here. In the today's video, we will see how to send a mail from Bitrix24 platform to the user or a client. For that, we just find the webmail option in the left hand side. Just click on the webmail button. Okay, you will find the new message button over here. Just click on the new message button. You can find the two CC. So I just add one Pawan over here for the send me message and add a subject test, and in body I will add hello Pawan, this is test mail, and just click on send button. Okay, successfully we have sent the mail from Bitrix control. Message has been sent over, you can see. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Thank you.